Hello and welcome to Get 100 Marks. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss about business model. A business model describes the underlying reasons or explanations of how an organization creates, delivers, and captures value in economic, social, cultural, or other contexts. For creation of any successful business model, proper planning is required. Areas to be targeted for proper business models are displayed here. Let's start with partners. As a business organization, an entity should be partnering with their investors, suppliers, customers, employees, bankers, creditors, and in some cases with government to run their operations. Bonding, what we generate and maintain between the partners, plays a major role in designing of your business model and ultimately the success of your business. Next is activities or key activities, we can call it as. Any activities that your business is engaged in for the primary purpose of making a profit. Business activities includes operations, marketing, production, problem solving, and administration. Let's talk about value propositions. Value propositions are products and services that creates value for a specific customer segment. Businesses arrives at this value by solving customer problem or satisfying customer need. A value proposition could be innovation, service, or feature intended to make a company or product attractive to customers. Value proposition should describe how your product or service solves or improves problems, what benefits customers can expect, and why customers should try your products over the competitor's product. Coming to different channels. Channels describes how a company communicates with and reaches its customer segments to deliver its value propositions. It is important to understand which pathway or channel is the best for your company to reach your customer. The function of channel could be raising awareness to the customers, helping customers in evaluation of your product, allowing customers to purchase your product, delivering a value propositions in the hands of your customers, and also providing post-purchase customer support. Talking about customer segments are community of customers or businesses that you are aiming to sell your products or services. Customers can be segmented into distinct groups based on the needs, behaviors, and other traits that they share. Customers can also be defined through demographics such as age, ethnicity, professions, and gender, etc. By matching your customer segments to your value propositions, you can achieve a more lucrative revenue streams. Then comes your cost. In business terms called as cost structure, defines cost and expenses in your company while operating your business model. Company can design between two models which are existing. One is value driven model or cost driven model. And at last is your revenue model or revenue streams, which refers to the ways of generating revenue from your business operations. So this explains the primary components and its contribution in developing your business canvas. Thank you. See you in the next class.